24/7.
Nice, I love that.
And then you have the restrooms to the right.
All right.
Nice big gym.
Okay.
Do you want to go in there?
Sure. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Oh yeah. This is nice. Nice. This is beautiful. All right.
And then this is our lounge. Now the lounge is open until 10 p.m. at night.
Okay.
You do have free Wi-Fi. There you go. On this side, you have more of your booths. You have a TV, refrigerator, microwave. Some people come in here and they'll bring food while they work in here.
Work, yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
It's just space for residents to use.
Okay. And you say this is open until 10?
Yep. This is
Okay.
until 10. And then on your other side, you have more of the lounges, more of your couches, your books. You have a fireplace over here.
Okay. Nice.
And we also rent this space out too.
All right. It's beautiful.
And then this overlooks our courtyard.
Okay.
Then you have another little sitting room right there.
All right. Oh, yeah, this is nice. So how long have y'all been here?
5 years.
5 years. Wow. Okay.
Like I said, this opens up to our courtyard. And we have lots of seating out here. You have your gas grills, our pool, cabana. There's a cabana inside the pool. There's restrooms in there as well.
Okay.
You can walk over if you want.
Okay. How many apartments?
We have 251.
200. Okay. All right. 251.
The pool is open year round. It's not heated, but it is open.
Okay. Yeah. It's the first.
And then we have a dog wash station that's behind the cabana, and then we have a dog park that's beside the townhouses over there.
Nice. Okay. How many maintenance people do you have?
We have a maintenance supervisor.
Okay.
We have, let's see, John. And 2 techs.
Okay.
We have stairs and elevators. Several buildings that are closed, more like a hotel style like this. And then we have 2 buildings that are open access, which is just like a regular apartment where you can just walk in right to your door. We're gonna cover you here. And they are smart locks, so you can unlock it with your fob and also your phone.
Okay. Nice.
Okay. This is our 2-bedroom.
Okay.
We have a pantry right behind that.
Okay.
And we have a
Coat closet.
over here.
Okay. There you go.
And washer dryer.
Beautiful.
And then feel free to check out the space on here if you have any questions. Your right side bedroom is your master.
Okay.
That is a king size in there, so you can see how big that room actually is.
Cool. Okay. All right. We'll save the best for last. All right. Got the shower tub combo with a walk-in closet right here. Okay. Really good space. Nice space. Bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. All right. Plenty of counter space. This leads into the 2nd bedroom. Nice little visual. Pretty high ceilings. Carpet in the room. Little hat collection.
We have a fan in each room.
Nice. Okay, yeah. Ceiling fans, yeah. Ceiling fan in the
And
living
the
room.
ceilings are 9 feet.
Nice. Got the balcony. Is it okay?
Yeah.
On the other side? Okay. All right. Oh, this is beautiful. This is nice. Look at that. And it's a beautiful day today. Little spot to go work out on. Y'all see that over there? This is nice. Yeah, but y'all want a little quick little shot so you can see how much space you have. Pretty decent. Definitely get 2 chairs out here. Nice little space to come after you wake up in the morning. And now we have the master bedroom. And she said you got the up top right here with the 2 windows. Pretty good space. Got some carpet. Ceiling fan up there. All right. Oh, wow. Nice size bathroom. You got the little, okay. Shower. Oh, I almost didn't see that. You got a closet back there too. Store more towels. Washcloths. Hey, we can definitely appreciate some high ceilings. I think that actually makes the space look a lot bigger when you have those high ceilings. And then you have your other walk-in closet. Yes, 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 yes. Said y'all was looking for luxury. Here it is. Nice. All right, with this huge mirror. This thing is huge. And what's the square footage?
This one is 1,020.
Okay, 1,020 square feet. Nice. Yes, yes, yes. All right, we are just leaving out of the address Galleria. When I tell y'all, this is what I am talking about. When y'all talk about luxury, this is going to be that luxury. So this apartment, well, the apartment that we went to go tour was $1,700. All right, $1,700 and some change. I'll actually put up the actual number up there. Let me see if I can find it, because she actually gave us an entire booklet. All right, so I think that was $1,745, and she said it was about 1,020 square feet. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's talk about it. I would say this is what you are going to run into, right? This is what you're going to run into with these type of places. Like when you start talking about luxury, I think that when you say luxury, of course, the outside is going to look nice. You know, you're going to have a buttload of amenities, because that's what they're really necessarily kind of charging you for, right? The apartment itself, honestly, it was a little bit on the smaller side. Like when you look at the rooms, they were a little bit smaller. Oh, they even have EV charging. That's a huge bonus. And it looks like it's free. That's a bonus. Yo. All right, guys, I just wanted to plug this into the video real quick because I had to take a look. It kind of confused me because she gave me 2 different papers in the inside of this folder, and I was a little confused, right? You know, you had the 1 bedroom, 1 bath. There was 3 different variants on there, and then you had the 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, had 2 of those, and then 1 3 bedroom. My bad, 1 3 bedroom, 2 bath, right? I'm like, yo, are these like your cheap prices? Because this is the address Galleria, right? And then I go to so they got a whole nother page. So I was like, yo, that Catawba ain't all that, my boy. Like for y'all to be charging almost $1,500 for that. They also had townhomes too, but we didn't get a chance to see that. But anywho, I went to the other paper, and it's called Corporate Living. Now, y'all see those prices, bro? What? $2,300 for a 1-bedroom, 1-bath under 800 square feet? Sheesh. Good. I want to see what that one looked like. Let me see what that one looked like on the inside. Why in the world are y'all charging that price for the same square footage that you'll be getting, I'm guessing, like right next door? What? Man, these prices get almost up to $3,500, bro. I honestly don't see how that can be justified in any way, shape, form, or fashion, especially considering what we saw. Now, again, I may be wrong. I might be bugging, but there is no way in the heck you can tell me what we walked into, especially when you are talking about the space, the square footage. There is no way in the world you're going to tell me that something that size, you can get me or anybody in their right mind to be paying almost $2,500 a month? Like, what type, you must got like a butler service, you know what I'm saying? I got a maid, I got the fastest internet on the planet. Like, bro, hey, man, I ain't even gonna say what I wanted to say, but that's crazy for y'all to be charging those type of prices for that amount of square foot. With this being considered, like, it really kind of makes me go back and think. Like, again, I really would love to see what that looks like and why in the world are y'all charging these prices. That's crazy. That's crazy. And then y'all talking about cable and internet is included. I better be able to watch any and every show, any and every movie. My internet better be top speed. Like, trash, you better be coming in my house to take. Now, don't worry about that. Yeah, that old cardboard box, don't worry about it. I'm gonna break that down. I'm gonna fold it up and I'm gonna take it out of here for you, Katie. Yeah, don't worry about that old milk. I'm gonna pull that out of the refrigerator and put that in the trash for you. No way in the world y'all charging this amount of money for something like that. No way. All right, man, back to the but yeah, you start thinking about like the neighborhood. What does the neighborhood look like? I think there's going to be around a lot of different things. You got Walmart that's right across the freaking corner. Charlotte is like, you can literally just drive right down the road. 2 minutes, you're in Charlotte. So this is like really right there on the edge, the outskirts. You can access your apartment either through by the stairs or elevator. All of that stuff is a huge bonus, but you're going to take a hit when it comes to the size of your apartment. I have not seen a luxury apartment that checks off both boxes yet. And we've toured a lot of apartments, and that's online and offline when it comes to luxury. It just seems like you're going to lack that. You're going to have those high ceilings. You're going to have, again, all the rest of those other things, but I don't know why, but they don't believe in giving you a lot of space in the inside of these places. So the 1-bedroom was not available because I did try to tour that today for you guys. I was trying my best, but she said we don't have that to show today. We just have the 2-bedroom. So what you see is what you get. So all in all, what are my thoughts about this apartment complex as a whole? I would say that the staff is amazing. I did get the opportunity to speak to one of the people that actually live here, and they seem nice. They seem like some nice, chill, laid back people. That's the thing. When you got a little bit of money, you know what I mean? Like you just tend to be a little bit nicer, right? But the amenities are dope. For the 1,700 or 2-bedroom, I cannot justify that price. I don't know. That's just me. I feel like I've been spoiled through all the different apartments we have toured, but I don't think that 1,700. Now, it was a bonus that they don't charge you, you know, all those extra fees and everything. So that $1,700 is pretty much what you pay for, you know, again, outside of whatever your water bill is. That's a huge bonus. Would I say that people should automatically just cut this out? No. I think that, again, if you're not really necessarily tripping about having company over like that, you know, I got a big family. It's a lot of people that, you know, come to visit, and I need the space. But this checks off all the boxes except for the space in the inside of the actual apartment itself. But y'all let me know, what do you guys think about this address, the address Galleria? All right, again, we are right here. I kind of want to show you guys what everything looked like before we go, but you got a bank right here, you got Bojangles right here, this right here, you see Matthews city limits. It's just now like right on the city limit. This right here is Charlotte. This is Charlotte. This right here is Matthews. All right, so we are right on the outskirts, but yeah, you got everything that you could possibly need. You got restaurants, you got everything else. But y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments about this, all right? Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.